What's up, Bob? You want some scratches? Is that the deal? All right, Bob. I could use some supervision today. You think you're up for it? Yep. Don't rub up against the camera, Bob. Good morning from good noonish. Yeah, good noonish from Bobblehead Homestead. I am Jeff. It is Sunday. It is cloudy, 55 degree-ish. Might hit 60 degrees today. The chickens are fat and happy. Bob is rubbing up against my leg, and I got stuff to do today. Yesterday there was a big old puddle there. Today it's gone. Yes, all of the standing water here soaks up within a day or two after it stops raining. So all of the standing water here has already soaked in. So it's not a problem I have with standing water. In fact, that's why a pond doesn't work here, is because this area just doesn't retain the water. So that's the good thing, you know. When I do get enough rain for it to come down here, it doesn't last very long because it soaks in pretty quick. Bob. You know, the supervisors, you know, they don't pester their workers. If a supervisor starts pestering the workers, the productivity goes down, Bob. You're like, dude, it's a weekend. Give it a rest. But I am not giving it a rest because that is like fiberglass insulation type stuff, right, Bob? That's insulation, and it's everywhere. It got bulldozed, and so I don't want that in the ground forever. At least not all of it. So I'm gonna try to pick some of that up today, but that's not it. There's just all kinds of trash and debris, and if I'm putting my hugel mounds in here, then I want to at least make a valiant effort to remove some of the trash. But yeah, it's just there's all kinds of bottles over by that tree. So that's what I'm going to do today, is try to get up at least some of this trash and reduce it in this area. I won't be able to get it all. I'll be picking it up for years. Okay, one bag of trash out of there. Almost all of that was styrofoam type insulation. So yeah, cool neighbor with the cows stopped by. He's gonna come over later this afternoon, so I'm gonna take a break right now for lunch so that I can help out, and we'll see what's on tap for this afternoon. Wah, wah, wah. Yep. Bulldozer man found his kryptonite in a deep puddle of mud. So that's going to be it for today. That bulldozer is going to take it easy until it dries out some more. So that's cool. Moved trees out of the way so that that tree can come down. Not done yet, but because the bulldozer got stuck, and then he was, well, you probably saw he had the tractor out, and so yeah, some of that stuff he's gonna start piling up over there, and then I don't know. Let's see, the one in front there, he's got to cut that one into like 3 pieces, I think, and so he's going to use that for firewood. So once he gets that cut, he's going to use his tractor, and he'll move that out of the way. And then there's another trunk in back of it. The trunk and back of it is the sweet gum, so that's going to go over here. And he started piling up my first hugel mound. Oh, that's a hugel mess is what it is. But yeah, it'll take some work to get it shaped, you know, into shape. That's cool. But yeah, bulldozer stuck, so that's going to be it. That will be all from Bobblehead Homestead for this Sunday. I'm going to run to the store and get the chicken feed real quick. Got to do it today. It's Sunday because tomorrow there's going to be work to be done. So I'm going to do it now and hopefully make it back by dark. Want to give a couple shout outs real quick. I just thought of these. I didn't run inside and check my list. But first one, Haywire Homestead. They put out a lot of regular content. So there's another homesteading channel for some of you to check out. And let's see. The next one is Papa Pepper. I knew Papa Pepper from Steam It. I had a little blog going on Steam It for a while. Didn't do too bad. It helped pay for my second chicken coop. Pretty much paid for my, Steam It paid for one of my chicken coops, so thank you, Steam It. I haven't been doing anything there lately, though. I'm just so busy. But I knew Papa Pepper from Steam It, and he just hit 1,000 subscribers here on YouTube. He's up in Arkansas, a couple, 3 hours away from me, and, you know, trying to live frugally with his family, and a nature lover, and yeah, it's a good channel. So have a look at Papa Pepper, and I will catch you guys, if not tomorrow, the day after. Take her easy, everybody.